Kirembe Mines nishango mcharo cha Chanzu cyo mu Burembiya Division no mu Kasese Municipality kandi umwanya gukabana gutimbwa mu by'ubwiga nka copper smelt hamwe na copper cathodes gutandika mu mwaka gwa 1956 okusiyo mu mwaka gwa 1998 n'ebiro bwacingwa ahabwa enshonga y'ebyo kwerinda mu Kasese ko babi ebyome byabire n'ubukoreso bwo kukura hamwe n'ebeye bitimbwa kucendera ubwa hati government etiro mukona handagano kugaruka mu kutomwanya ugahamutindo gukatandika kukora. James Byagaba uryo muhezi wa chairman wa board of directors havwa Uganda National Mining Company najara ngo umwanya wo kugura atandike gukora nuguza kwera hantungu ko mu Kasese hamwe n'imyanya jerire.
We signed an agreement, what do we call a mineral production sharing agreement, with a local company, Salai Group, to invest and in the development of Kirembe Mines. So we wanted to establish, first of all, what is on the ground in terms of assets, in terms of the status of the mine and so on.
Kirembe Mines etakachinjire kukoro myaka ya 1960 hamwe na 1970 ekaba netahizi hanga Uganda ebichwe kama 10 harigana omuvyentasya. Alex Kwatampora Binego or board member wa Uganda National Mining Company ashabire government kusindika abahango by'ubwiga bwo mwitaka okureba embere ry'omwanya ogu.
The jobs of the geologists are very important in terms of understanding the structure of the ore body in this area, the ore reserves, and how much we have in terms of the ore, and of course in terms of mining, the geologist is the one who determines which grade you're going to mine at what level and how much quantity you're going to mine.
Harhamats kon Kirembe Mines zaba zatanchire kukora abaturani bija kutunga emirimo hamwe no kutungura entasi y'amaka gabo.
Some of you are aware Kirembe Mines used to contribute about 70% of the gross domestic product GDP, but since then, since 2023, it has come down to 2%.
Mubinde birukuza kukorwa n'irwaro rya Kirembe Mines rutwire rucinjirwa bwa nyuma yo kutahirwa mutunga ubwo mugera gwa Nyamwamba guboga. Amakoraga gashakwa Gilbert Mhanguzi.